So I think Spec Racer Ford is a great platform for someone that's looking to become a better driver. Cars, in my opinion, are the most equal of any amateur spec series in the country, with sealed engines, sealed gearboxes, very, very even. And so when you have the car is not a big variable, what separates is how you drive it.
All the cars are identical, down to the oil filter. We run the same tires, we run the same brakes, everything on the cars are identical. We paint them differently, and we can set them up a little bit differently, but that's about it.
One, you're not going to get outspent. Everything's equal. You don't have the motor of the year.
The engines are sealed. You don't get to play with them, nothing like that. You can do alignments and things like that, but at the end of the day, these are spec. Watch those air inlet openings as well, as they do a lot of bump drafting, and the ones that are mangled probably do a little more bumping than drafting.
They're super reliable, very competitive. Some guys will get in it and they think they're super fast, and they're not. And they get a little humbled, but it takes some time, but you're not going to buy yourself to the front.
The racing is so close within Spec Racer Ford. We'll have races with 50, 60, 70 cars, and sometimes the top 10 or 15 is all split by, less than a second.
This is going to be fascinating. Look at the size of this field. We are ready for the start of the run to the gold in SRF3, Spec Racer Ford 3. They are coming up to the line, a massive field. They're waiting. We're green!
Subscribe to Amateur Racer and join us for more on-track content.